Okay. Wanted to see how beautiful. So this is actually all pliers.
You are about to exit the seated arm room. Please ensure that you have seen everything you have wished to view in this space, including taking any photos. You will not be able to go back into this room once you have moved on. Okay.
So this is how it goes. It's a pair of pliers. The plier tree was cut over the summer of 1913 by making 31,000 cuts, averaging about an hour per day during the period. 511 pair of pliers and make up this tree. So 511 pair of pliers. Money only ever completed the second grade. Second grade.
Yeah, but see
But
how smart he was?
very smart.
Yeah.
History came to him in a vision riding his bicycle home from the mill one afternoon. The vision showed him the shape of the block he would need to make the startup process. Wow, Baba. He's very smart guy. This is
It took him longer to carve the
than
block than the tree itself.
Yeah.
It is representation of the Tower of Pisa in Italy. The tree is the only item in the museum that has been lacquered. In other words,
protected.
Yeah.
Because it was only ever closed once, 1933. Money met Robert Ripley at the Chicago World's Fair. Ripley did not believe that it would fold up, so the pliers will fold
up to that block of wood
to the shape of the original block. It took more than 4 hours to close it and then reopen it. The story about this on Ripley's display in Believe It or Not. Wow, see how beautiful? Oh,
yeah.
That's amazing. Seriously.
I told you you'd like this place, huh?
Yeah,
It's nice.
I love it.